Bailiff. All rise. The Honorable Judge Harrison presiding. Judge Harrison. Please be seated. Bailiff. Bring the defendant in. Clerk. This is court case number 9339. Marcus Reed versus Officer Daniel Cortez. Mr. Reed, please step to the podium. Officer Cortez, please join him. Judge Harrison. Before we begin, I need to address something. As many of you know, I am still a police officer with the Oakwood Police Department. Officer Cortez is also employed there. I want it on record that I will not recuse myself. I believe I can remain fair and impartial in this case. Now, Officer Cortez, you are the defendant. Mr. Reed, you are the plaintiff. Officer Cortez, is it necessary for the plaintiff to still have that spit hood on? Officer Cortez, yes, Your Honor. When I arrested him, he spat on me multiple times. I don't want a repeat of that. Judge Harrison, understood. Mr. Reed, if I remove the hood, will you behave reasonably in my courtroom? Marcus Reed. Yes, Your Honor. Judge Harrison. Bailiff, remove the hood. Officer Cortez. Sir, I don't think that's a good idea. Judge Harrison. Officer, you'll get your turn. For now, I run this courtroom. The hood is removed. Judge Harrison. Mr. Reed, you are suing for $25,000 in damages against Officer Cortez, claiming pain and suffering, and you are also requesting that all charges against you be dropped. Is that correct? Marcus Reed. Yes, Your Honor. Judge Harrison. Then tell us what happened. Marcus Reed. I was minding my own business, meditating on a park bench. That's when Officer Cortez approached me. I didn't answer his questions because I wasn't doing anything wrong. I asked for a supervisor, which must have upset him, because suddenly he accused me of committing a crime I still don't even know about. Judge Harrison. You're telling this court that you were arrested and never told the charges? Marcus Reed. Exactly. I never received paperwork. Nothing. Judge Harrison. Officer Cortez, your response? Officer Cortez. We got a call about suspicious activity. There had been a kidnapping and a robbery in the area. Mr. Reed matched the description. When I questioned him, he eventually confessed back at the precinct. Judge Harrison. Did you question him in the interrogation room? Officer Cortez. Yes, sir. Judge Harrison. Was anyone else present? Officer Cortez. No, just him and me. Judge Harrison. So you're saying he confessed, but you're aware that interrogation rooms have cameras that record everything? Officer Cortez. Yes, sir. Judge Harrison. Bailiff, play the footage. The video plays. Marcus Reed sits quietly while Officer Cortez does most of the talking. There is no confession. Judge Harrison. Officer Cortez, I don't see a confession here. Do you, Bailiff? Bailiff. No, Your Honor. Officer Cortez. The cameras must have malfunctioned. He confessed to me, I swear. Judge Harrison. Careful, officer. This is a courtroom, not the street. I see no evidence of aggression, no spitting, and certainly no confession. Where is the witness you mentioned? Officer Cortez. The woman who called, it was her word against his, Judge Harrison, yet she's not here to testify. Nor is there a written description in the record. What I do see is a black man sitting on a bench minding his business. And your reasoning? Look at him. He's black. That's the only explanation you offered. Tell me, Officer Cortez, if I, a black man who lives in Oakwood, were sitting on a park bench, would I look suspicious? What about my bailiff here? Officer Cortez. No, Your Honor, but he matched the description. Judge Harrison. A description you cannot provide. Instead, I see harassment. You lied about the confession, and you lied about the video. Mr. Reed, did you ever confess? Marcus Reed. No, Your Honor, I don't even know why I was arrested, Judge Harrison. Exactly. Matching a vague description may give an officer grounds to question someone, but not to arrest them. You made no connection between Mr. Reed and any crime. You arrested him because he looked suspicious. That is not how justice works. Therefore, my ruling is as follows. Mr. Reed, you will be awarded $25,000 in damages. Officer Cortez, this will be deducted from your paycheck. The city will not cover it. Additionally, for lying in this courtroom, you are held in contempt. Bailiff, take him into custody. Officer Cortez. Your Honor, please. Judge Harrison. Quiet. Speak to your attorney. That's all I'll hear from you. Bailiff escorts Officer Cortez out. Judge Harrison. Mr. Reed, on behalf of the Oakwood District Court and its citizens, I offer you a formal apology. What happened to you was a disgrace. It will be dealt with. That is not who we are as a court or as a community. This court is adjourned.